Here's the birthday boy. I'm set up the camera and just open up a Reese's and see what happens. There's the Reese's. It's Diego's birthday. And you already can tell that there's a Reese's for him. You need to sit that back. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. He's a little fiend. You can lick the wrapper first. Don't eat it. He loves just even the wrapper. Alright, you ready for the good stuff? You ready? Oh, happy birthday! Oh, yum yum. Another little piece. One more piece and then we're done, birthday boy. Okay, there we go. All done. Happy birthday! Yum yum. That is a happy little kitty. Uh-oh. He smells it on my fingers. Diego. Diego. Okay, that's enough. Happy birthday.